How to fix please confirm your identity on Facebook. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. This might be because of a glitch or a server down issue in your Facebook application. However, if you want to solve this, all you have to do is exit from your Facebook application. Then press and hold on to it to go to app info. Force stop it, head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. It will fix any bug issue. Then tap Open your settings. Scroll down until you see System Update and make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the version of Facebook. Then tap on the apps again. From here, select all apps and search for Facebook. Tap on the Facebook, force stop it and head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. Once you are done from here, now all you have to do is open up your Google and search for Facebook Help and Support. Tap on Facebook Help Center. Select the option of Account Settings from these tabs. So in here, you can search for instructions and articles related to your issue of confirming your identity. However, it is mostly because of a glitch issue and the prior methods could solve the problem. However, if not, just go ahead and check out the help and support of facebook.com. And that is pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.